What if I told you that wealth isn't about luck, hard work, or even talent, but about energy? If you've ever felt stuck financially, it's not because money is scarce. It's because you haven't activated your money magnet formula. Today, I'll show you exactly how to attract wealth effortlessly. Let's dive in. The first step in becoming a money magnet is rewiring your subconscious beliefs about wealth. If deep down you think money is hard to get, or rich people are greedy, you're blocking your own abundance. Here's what you do. Write down every negative belief you have about money and replace it with an empowering one. Instead of money is hard to make, say money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Repeat this daily until it feels natural. Money responds to energy. If you constantly feel stressed about finances, you're pushing money away. But when you shift into a state of abundance, feeling wealthy before the money even arrives, you attract more of it. Start by practicing gratitude for the money you already have, even if it's just a few dollars. The more you focus on what's already abundant in your life, the more abundance flows to you. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting. It's about taking inspired action. Money flows when you move toward it with confidence. Ask yourself, what action can I take today that aligns with my financial goals? Whether it's investing, launching a side hustle, or asking for a raise, act like the wealthy version of yourself. Most people sabotage their manifestations by constantly worrying about when the money will arrive. When you release control and know that money is already on its way, it shows up faster than you expect. So stop checking the how and when. Just stay aligned and let abundance flow. And that's the money magnet formula. Rewire your beliefs, align with abundance, take inspired action, and trust the process. Follow these steps, and you'll start seeing money flow into your life effortlessly. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.